Okay, so just a quick run through of how to actually make a playlist that we could assign students anytime really. Sometimes I do it even during the day if it's something that I think they're grasping pretty well and can do on their own, especially the higher level ones. But when they're at home, they can even get on and do this. So just to make it easy, go to Browse, then of course select your text, and then go to whatever topic you're on. We just did topic 10, so I'll go into that. Sure, 10.1. And then we have all these options of things we could add to playlist, but I haven't actually made one yet. So the main things that we assign are the solve and share, the visual learning, and then independent practice. So just for this to be a quick thing, I'm not going to assign the solve and share. I'm just going to make a playlist with the visual learning, which is going to show what the topic is about. So instead of clicking assign, click add to playlist, because this way it'll actually check um, more of who did it and who didn't. So I'm just going to call this 10-1, create the playlist, um, topic 10. I'm not going to put a description. You can if you want. Like, good luck, have fun. Um, okay, so now we have the playlist. I clicked close. Now the visual learning should be in there. So let's add an assignment. And you can, of course, customize it. I have multiple versions. Just you can look through the questions, add questions, delete questions. I'm just going to go to this latest version, add it to playlist, so then select the one you want, topic 10, add. Now okay, so only one item, so I think I do need to go back and make sure this is in there. Topic 10, add. Oh, okay, no, it was already in there. Okay, good. So now I'm at the playlist. This is what the students will see. I can assign it, have a start date, an end date. Let's just say, sure, 30th. You can assign it to individual students or the whole class. So if I do this, it's my whole class. This is a Google Classroom. So if they wanted to get on there, and I could have it assigned on there as well. But we'll just click Spence. And this is something mine I've already done, but I'm just going to assign it anyway. Maybe they want a refresher, and just for the purpose of showing you. So now it's assigned. Nice. And then if you want to check the results, you would go to classes, assignments, and then you find your playlist, which is here. So obviously none of them have completed it yet. And then you can view their status, their scores, how they're doing, all that. Easy peasy.